Welcome to the top best. The best Tryst Six Venom is probably one of the most anticipated and talked about books in the Penelope Douglas universe, promising a dark, intense, and emotionally charged journey that will leave you breathless and questioning everything you thought you knew about love, obsession, and the blurred lines between them. So buckle up, because we're diving deep into this captivating story. Number 5. Punk 57. Discover the raw, untamed passion of Punk 57. This is a story that will grip you from the very first page and refuse to let go. Dive into a world where love is fierce, complicated, and utterly unforgettable. It's a tale of two souls bound by fate and challenged by circumstance. Explore the depths of desire and the power of connection. This narrative will ignite your senses and leave you breathless. Get ready for a journey filled with intense emotions and unexpected twists. You won't be able to put it down. Experience the story that everyone is talking about. It's a must-read for anyone who loves a passionate and compelling romance. What we like. This book delivers a dark and intense romance that will keep you on the edge of your seat. If you love a story with forbidden attraction and a brooding hero, this is for you. It's perfect for readers who enjoy high-stakes and passionate, angsty relationships. What people say. The story is well-written and engaging, keeping the reader hooked from beginning to end. The characters are complex and well-developed, making them relatable and memorable. The plot is full of twists and turns, keeping the reader guessing until the very last page. Number 4. 23andMe Health Plus Ancestry Service DNA Test Kit. Discover over 100 personalized genetic insights to understand your health predispositions and explore your family tree. Get a more complete picture of your well-being. Learn how your DNA can influence your chances of developing certain health conditions and optimize your wellness routine. Take proactive control of your health journey. Find out if you're a carrier for genetic variants linked to inherited health conditions. This information can help you protect your future family. Collecting your DNA is easy with our saliva kit, no needles required. Just spit, mail it back, and receive your personalized reports in 4 to 5 weeks. Your genetic information is encrypted, protected, and always under your control. We prioritize your privacy with robust security measures. Go beyond health and delve into your ancestry. Discover where you come from and explore your unique family history. What we like. Get a comprehensive view of your health and heritage with this at-home DNA test. If you're looking to understand your genetic health risks and explore your family tree, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for those who want to take a proactive approach to their well-being and discover their origins. What people say. The story is a dark romance with a morally gray hero and a strong heroine. Penelope Douglas is known for her intense and emotional writing style, and Tryst Six Venom is no exception. This book explores themes of obsession, revenge, and forbidden love. Number 3. Bully by Penelope Douglas. Dive into the first book of the Fall Away series. This is a story that will grip you from the very first page. Experience the beginning of an unforgettable journey. This series is known for its intense emotions and compelling characters. Start with the one that started it all. This novel sets the stage for the drama and passion to come. Discover a tale of complex relationships and undeniable chemistry. It explores the depths of human connection. Don't miss out on this captivating read. Grab your copy and get lost in its pages. What we like. Dive into a compelling new adult romance with a classic grumpy meet sunshine trope. If you enjoy stories about overcoming past hurts and finding love again, this is a must-read. It's perfect for readers who appreciate character growth and a heartwarming, yet steamy, journey. What people say. The book is a dark romance with a gripping plot and well-developed characters. Penelope Douglas is a master storyteller, and Tryst Six Venom is no exception. The writing is immersive and the story is captivating. This book is perfect for fans of the enemies to lovers trope, with plenty of tension and steam. Number 2. 23andMe Plus Premium Advanced Ancestry and Health DNA Test Kit. Discover the power within your DNA with our Advanced Ancestry and Health Kit. It's your personal roadmap to understanding your unique genetic makeup. Gain deeper insights into your health predispositions and how your body processes certain medications. Take proactive steps towards a healthier you with personalized reports. Trace your roots like never before with over 4,500 regions in our comprehensive ancestry breakdown. Uncover your maternal and paternal lines and explore your Neanderthal ancestry. Find over 5,000 DNA relatives and automatically build your family tree. Connect with your past and discover your place in the human story. Enjoy a full year of exclusive reports and advanced features. This includes personalized health action plans and advanced filters for faster heritage tracing. Your genetic information is private, secure, and always under your control. We use enhanced security measures to protect your data, and you decide what to learn and share. What we like. Unlock deeper genetic insights with this premium DNA testing service. If you're interested in understanding how your body processes medication and want a more detailed ancestral breakdown, this is the one. It's best for those seeking personalized health strategies and a richer exploration of their heritage. What people say. The plot is intricate and keeps you guessing until the very end. The character development is superb, with each character having their own unique voice and motivations. The writing style is engaging and immersive, pulling you into the story from the first page. Number 1. TruSkin Vitamin C Serum. Discover the power of our vitamin C serum, expertly formulated to revitalize your complexion. It's designed to bring out your skin's natural brightness and youthful glow. Turn back the clock on visible aging. This potent serum works to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, revealing smoother, firmer-looking skin. Tired of dark spots? Our advanced formula targets and reduces the appearance of discoloration. Achieve a more even and luminous skin tone. Experience deep hydration with the infusion of hyaluronic acid. It plumps your skin, leaving it feeling soft, supple, and thoroughly moisturized. Enriched with vitamin E, this serum provides antioxidant benefits to nourish your skin. It helps protect against environmental stressors for a healthier look. Gentle yet effective, this serum is suitable for everyone. It's crafted to benefit all skin types, promoting overall skin health and vitality. What we like. Achieve a radiant complexion with this potent vitamin C serum. If you're looking to combat signs of aging and achieve brighter, smoother skin, this is an excellent addition to your routine. It's perfect for all skin types seeking to improve the appearance of dark spots and fine lines. What people say. The book is a dark romance with a compelling storyline and well-developed characters. Penelope Douglas delivers another intense and addictive read with Tryst Six Venom. Fans of the author's previous works will appreciate the signature blend of passion and suspense in this novel. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.